Gravel roofs. It's almost like I just said a 4-letter word. If you have them, you know what I'm talking about. Let's call it what it is. They're a nightmare. Get a roof leak and good luck finding it. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. The idea behind it is brilliant. Install a new roof and protect it with gravel. It makes sense in theory. Put a stone barrier between the sun and the roof. But while your roofs last a little longer than average, roof leaks are near impossible to find, no less fix. So here you are, your gravel roof leaks. You've probably tried every repair product on the market, from Mastix to coatings to the stuff in the can from Home Depot, and yet you're pulling your hair out every time that it rains. Since you tried everything with no luck, you're probably thinking about removing the roof, throwing it away, and starting over. In fact, you've probably been told that tear off is your only option. The thought of disruption, liability, and cost associated with tear off should scare you. Until now, you've probably thought about installing a coating or a single ply on top of the gravel. But you and I both know those are temporary solutions to permanent problems. They are not strong enough to hold up, and they become a giant hassle. Instead of having one roof leaking, now you have 2 roofs leaking, and that sounds terrible. So what solution exists to solve roof leaks on my gravel roofs without the nightmare that comes with tear off and removal? There is a solution, and we'll talk about that in a minute. So let's talk about what the must-haves are that are required to have a successful project. The roof being installed must be strong enough to hold the existing gravel roof together. Strength matters. It also must be flexible because buildings move. Strength without stretch means roof split. Stretch without strength wears out quickly, so the product needs to be strong enough to withstand normal building movement and be flexible enough to move when the building wants to. Strength, then stretch, in that order, is the only combo that works. It must be safe to install using environmentally friendly materials that have little to no odor, and the product must be seamless, because anything less will fall apart at the seams, and now you know where that expression came from. To get a roof system that does all the above is like trying to find a unicorn, but in reality it takes a different way of thinking. More than 30 years ago, the creators of Weatherweld were trying to build a roof that was designed to last for a lifetime. So they tested thousands of materials from the aerospace and waterproofing industries and came up with the ultimate combination of materials that are designed to be the lifetime roof. Fiberglass is the strongest known reinforcement used in aerospace, and bentonite filled asphalt has been used since biblical times. This amazing combo makes a roof that is ridiculously strong yet flexible enough to withstand movement. And combining fiberglass and bentonite clay makes Weatherweld ultra fire resistant. In fact, Weatherweld takes any roof to a UL Class A rating, no matter what its existing rating. And it gets better. Because of the unique installation method, Weatherweld naturally makes your roof one seamless piece from the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain. And if the roof is one seamless piece, then it makes roof leaks near impossible. That's how you get a lifetime roof. So how does it work? It's simple. You vacuum the loose gravel, leaving the embedded gravel in place, and then you install Weatherweld. Make your roof seamless, solid, and strong from the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain. And then you install a reflective coating. In California, buildings must meet Title 24 white, and aluminum coating is preferred where the building code allows. You get a roof that's seamless, safe, odor-free, and simple. And because the roof is seamless, it's maintenance-free. Not to mention you get a 30 or 40 year bulletproof guarantee that is simple. If it leaks, Weatherweld fixes it for the life of the warranty. For decades, Weatherweld has been trusted to keep the most sensitive buildings watertight, from hospitals to schools and everything in between. But don't take our word for it, listen to what customers have to say.
My name is Brian Daniels, Facility Maintenance Manager for the Anaheim Convention Center. There's not a lot of downtime. We just recently re-roofed Hall D, which is our largest roof by far. And Weatherweld was never really an issue. They can install it, you can do business as usual. It's hard to describe. It's thin, but it's really strong. As long as you have the building, your roof won't leak. Weatherweld lives up to what they say they will do, and I don't think you could ask for more. So after 39 years being a City of Anaheim employee at the Anaheim Convention Center, obviously that's my building, that's the way I see it, and I feel like I left it better than I found it.